Alright people, how's it going? Thought I'd do a little video this evening in celebration of the fact that my YouTube channel has hit over 10,000 views. I know that's not a great deal, but for me it's a little victory. I didn't really think when I started it that I would get many subscribers or many views, but here we are, plodding along nicely, so why not celebrate with a bit of chocolate. This is a Jolokia chocolate from Sweden, grown by Mr. Chili Viking, and they're pretty hot by all accounts. It's a nice pod, very dark. Some other chocolate pods aren't as dark as this. It's quite late in the evening for me, so hopefully all will go well. Wow, it's attached pretty well. Oh, there we go. Gonna have a little look-see inside, see what's going on. Whoa. Don't know if you can see the capsaicin oil down the side of that knife. Wow, nice. Whoa. That's an interesting smell. Smells like a bell pepper. Sure it won't taste like one. I can hear my children shouting. There we go. Anyway. Party time. Thank you very much. That was a very surprising flavour. I don't know why I was expecting floral. It was very fruity, very almost citrusy. Just give me a minute. Yeah, really nice flavour. No floral. It's not always the case with chocolate pods. Can be quite floral. Oh, gosh. Heat wise, that's all right. Heat wise, it's, I would say a 3. I know you're probably thinking, huh? You're hiccuping like mad, but that always happens. I always get the hiccups. It's almost peaked. The burn is around my tongue. A little tingle on the lip, bottom lip. Other than that, that's it. I really like the flavour of that. Very surprised. Fruity, citrusy. The hiccup, I mean, even that's quite, it's like orange. Wouldn't expect that coming out of chocolate pod. I stopped eating chocolate. 2 reasons. Watching old calories and teeth. Been eating apples for a snack. I was 17 2. Now I'm 16 stone. Just from cutting chocolate out. Apart from this evening. Should I stop there? Chocolate Naga brain. Grown by a Mr. TJ Burns. Can't really see that. Well, similar sized pod different shape. Boot Jolokia, Naga, similar, same. Ooh, this one's a bit drier. I've had this one a bit longer. Might just look to see what it's like inside. The stalk there is a completely different colour. You probably can't see. It's a touch on the soft side. Yeah. Some oil came out. Ooh. Decent sized placenta. I don't know whether a couple of those seeds are just a little bit dark looking. Anyway, got them out. What I should do is improve the lighting in here. Party time, thank you. That's very bitter. It wasn't as juicy as the Boot Jolokia chocolate. It was drier. I've had it maybe 3 weeks. Nice pod. A different burn. It's like under my tongue, roof of my mouth. But I mean, I can't really say that's from that pod. It could just be the first one moving around, mixing with the other pod. For me, the first pod was much tastier. Heat wise, I don't know, it's hard to tell. Yeah, I don't know, I don't think it is as hot as the first one. I'm gonna go 2.5 on that, possibly. Should we stop there? Chocolate Moruga. These are hot. I ate one of these on a video with a Butch tea chocolate, and yeah, that was hot. I can feel that second pepper heating up at the inside of my cheeks. Let's continue. It's 5 to 7 in the evening, not far off bedtime. Work at 3 in the morning. Probably gonna have stomach cramps tonight. Anyway, we're celebrating. Probably a mixture of all 3 oils there, but there's quite a bit there. As a Scoville Slayer once said to me, no pain burn. It's party time. That was a lot softer. I struggle with soft textured pods. Fresh frozen pods. I defrosted a few. Did a few videos. I struggled to swallow them. So now that one, that tasted floral. I don't normally mind floral. Now and again it does bother me, but 10 minutes? Whoa. I've been waffling on. Yeah, well that was fun. A little Tuesday night party on chocolate pods. Nice. Feel a bit of a endorphin rush coming on there. That pod, I can't tell. I can't tell if it's hot, if it's added anything extra. The burn is somewhere in there. Stomach's fine at the moment. So I'm going to leave it there because this is quite a long video. I will thank you all for watching, and thank you all for the support on YouTube and Instagram. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Goodbye.